Every personality disorder explained in 5 minutes. Paranoid personality disorder. People with this condition have a hard time trusting others. They constantly worry that people are trying to put them down, hurt them, or trick them, even when there's no real reason to believe that. This suspicion makes it difficult for them to form close relationships. Schizoid personality disorder. Some people have a personality disorder that makes them prefer being alone. They don't feel much need for close friendships or romantic relationships, and they often seem unemotional when around others. Schizotypal personality disorder. People with this condition struggle to form close relationships because they feel uncomfortable getting too close to others. They might not need many friends and don't feel a strong desire for a romantic partner. This can make it hard to connect with people who may have strange beliefs, act in unusual ways, or see the world differently than most. Antisocial personality disorder. People with this condition have a hard time following the rules and don't care much about what others think. They might break the law, hurt people emotionally or even physically, and then not feel bad about it. They often blame others for their problems and don't try to fix the mess they make. Borderline personality disorder. This type of people struggle with controlling their emotions, which can make them feel down about themselves. Their moods can change quickly, and they might act impulsively without thinking things through first. This can cause problems in their relationships with others. Histrionic personality disorder. These people crave attention so much that they act dramatically or inappropriately to get it. They have trouble feeling good about themselves unless others like them. Their emotions can change quickly and intensely, and they may have a confusing view of who they really are. Narcissistic personality disorder. This condition describes people who constantly feel better and more important than others. They crave compliments and believe they deserve special treatment. However, deep down, they may actually feel insecure and not very good about themselves, which explains why they need so much praise from others. Avoidant personality disorder. With this condition, people always feel like they're not good enough and worry constantly about what others think. This fear of rejection makes them shy away from social situations, even though they would actually like to connect with people. Dependent personality disorder. People with this condition rely way too much on others to take care of them, both emotionally and practically. They might act submissive and constantly seek approval, finding it hard to make choices on their own. To avoid being alone, they often form very close bonds with someone and try their best to keep that person happy. This can sometimes come across as needy or clingy behavior. Obsessive-compulsive personality disorder. This type of people have such a strong need for things to be perfectly organized and done exactly the right way that it can actually get in the way of finishing things. They might spend so much time making sure everything is just right that they never actually get around to completing the task. This need for control can also make it difficult to get along with others because they might not be open to other ways of doing things. Even though this condition sounds similar to obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, they are actually different. People with OCD often know their worries and behaviors are excessive and want to change them. On the other hand, people with this condition usually don't realize how their extreme need for order and control affects themselves and others. So that's all for today's video. If you like it, click the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We want to hear your thoughts. You might have mixed symptoms of more than one personality disorder. Leave a comment below, and let's start a conversation. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.